Change Firefox new tab background. I always use dark personas theme or the default compact dark theme that comes included with Firefox, and I don't like the default background color being white when I open a new tab. There was an add-on I used that let me customize new tabs, but it's gone now with Firefox 57. So, how can I do to change new tabs background?
I think this may interest others as well. Answer update, as of 2020. But now there's a lot of cool and interesting add-ons that do the job in a great way. Let me mention some of my favorite in a brief list. Firefox Color. This MO is really the definitive one and a must-have. Not only it lets you deeply customize almost everything of Firefox GUI the way you like it, including new tabs background of course, it also lets you share the theme you made if you want. If this isn't enough, let me add this add-on is developed by Mozilla itself. Tabless. This is a really nice one. I personally use and love it. It lets you customize the new tabs background, not only choosing for a color but also beautiful background images and add widgets, like showing the time for instance. As a last note here, let me say Tabless is like joining the features of New Tab Override, New Tab Wallpaper, Beauty Tab, New Tab Splash and Clock New Tab add-ons all together. There are also some add-ons that, despite background, lets you customize tiles on new tabs as well. I think you may like it and find the thing useful, so I'll provide some worth a try. Infinity New Tab, Pro. Night Tab. New Tab Tools. That said, if you're looking for something minimalistic, there are also add-ons that work straightforward and provide just a very basic feature to only change the new tab's background to something dark. For example, dark new tab. Or even black new tab. Also, if you want, you can still juggle with CSS. See point 3 of original answer below. Original answer. So far I know a couple of add-ons to achieve that in a way to do without add-ons, as it seems a lot of them are disappearing day by day. Here we go then. Customize about new tab. Please see point 3 below. This is a specific add-on for the task. It not only lets you change the background color but also choose a background image and also resize and align it as you like. Nice. Stylish, please see point 3 below. Stylish is an add-on with a broader spectrum of functionality. It lets you customize Firefox itself as long as manage/install themes and skins for lots of popular websites such as Google, Facebook, YouTube and many others. I think it's overkill if you only need it for the task we are dealing with here. Neither of the above will work with Firefox 57 due to added restrictions. Stylus with Firefox 57's new tab page shows this message. As a security precaution, the browser prohibits extensions from affecting its built-in pages, like Chrome://version, the standard new tab page as of Chrome 61, about add-ons, and so on, as well as other extensions pages. Each browser also restricts access to its own extensions gallery, like Chrome Web Store or Almo. So, let's leave add-ons aside and get our hands dirty. You may decide you don't want to use an add-on for this. Well, in this case, here's what to do. Right about column profiles in the Firefox address bar and select Open Folder in correspondence of the root directory of the user profile you want to customize. Usually there's only one. But now the profile's root folder should have opened. Create, if it is not present yet, a new folder named Chrome. Create, if it is not present already, a new file named usercontent.css inside the Chrome folder and put the following code in it. If you can juggle with CSS, You may also add some code to set a background image if you like. I suggest to eventually put the images in the same folder with the CSS. You may need to restart Firefox to make customization being applied. Credits for this last point goes to Diener_.
Open About column config and change the value browser.display.background_color to the color of your choice. I'm using number 595,959, neutral gray. This works with blank tab or Firefox Home. Sadly, opening tab quickly or when the browser is on heavy load will still result of a white flash. If you don't know how to use About config, please read this URL.
Well, I must say the solution given by Danicotra does work for new tab, even with Firefox 57. However, during loading of a page, a blank flash will still systematically burn your eyes. Here is another proposal of content for your ~//firefox/xxxxxxx.default/chrome/usercontent.css, which does darken a few more places, but won't resolve the blank flash on load.
Okay, based on the answers from Psychoslave and Danicotra, I figured out a solution that works for me. My goal was to have a background image on the new tab page, which I have set to About column blank. Psychoslave's solution changes basically every Firefox's page, which I don't want to, but thanks to the beginning of his code I was able to figure out there are the URL prefix parts which make the whole thing apparently possible. Note, for just a background color on new tab, open About column config, search for browser.display.background_color, update its value with hex color code, and you can drop this all together. Find your profile root folder in About column profiles. Create a folder named Chrome in your profile root. Create usercontent.css with this content. Copy the image right next to the usercontent.css file. FF didn't take any absolute paths elsewhere for me. In About column config, set toolkit.legacyuserprofilecustomizations.stylesheets to true, so FF actually allows this customization. Restart your Firefox for the changes to take effect. I confirm this works on Windows 10, Ubuntu and Xubuntu, Firefox 72.0.2, 73.0. A big thanks to the other contributors mentioned above and to this thread on Reddit.
If you want a separate comment, press and consider subscribing.